Greetings once more, guys. Greetings again. This is another episode of Bars Beats. We'll do some of the maddest review and decoding around here. Now, you see, today in the program, me I go for this girl named Shenseea. One of the baddest things from out of Jamaica. Me call her the dancehall princess. Because right now, we all have Spice as a dancehall queen. So we not go around that. And we not, this is queen, you see me? But Shenseea bad said speed. So we have to call her me. Bars Beats declare her the dancehall princess. So this way, no one go around that. Yeah, man. She a whole her lane. And she do that song we call Bad Alone. And me tell you, say a bad artist. So no worry yourself. Remember, people, if you're new to the channel, one thing you have to do, subscribe. And if you want the latest videos, when they drop, click the notification bell. You'll be happy you did. No joke. All right, so this one was heavily requested by the subscribers again. So you don't know what we have to do with them. Say, yeah, man, straight. All right, watch it now. We are decode. Run the thing. As a matter of fact, before me even decode, me need to tell about it, the artist. I'm going to like introduce the artist without you knowing. So Shenseea, she is out of Ramesh Entertainment Production. And Ramesh is her manager. Right? And Ramesh also does designing, he's a we call it now, a promoter, entertainer. He's so much in the business. He's a very he has a good enterprise. All right. Now Shenseea's breakout song, it's called Ludi or Ludo, and Ludo she did it a piece of Vibes Cartel. Called Vibes Cartel did the official Ludo. We call you just a show 66 like Ludi. That is what you're doing in your body. So she did a piece of that. Take it from him and the song blow up. So from that she do bag of songs, bad artists. Everybody's supposed to know her still, but if you don't know, I have to make you know. So we are going at this now, and here we are. Go on. Yeah, man. All right, me can't make that pass without me telling you a Slider. You see Slider, you know? Slider makes our beat. He's a road manager. And I have the pleasure of working with Slider, because Slider was my producer when me used to do music. Well, me do it now and then still, but Slider was my producer in the music industry at an earlier stage. So he's a guy where me know good. But you don't normally see much in the spotlight because him stay underground a little bit and low key. But him have him Instagram page. I think it's Slider name. Slider the Wiz. Yeah, man. Big producer. I make a lot of beats. Good beats too. So maybe I made a beat. I'm not so 100% sure. I may never contact him to find out. But I'm a G. Set speed. All right, go on now. Make you hear it. I like how this start. I'm get what? Blood clean. What, girl? Yeah, man, this no look bad. So sexy girl push out already. I know one of them. I know two of them. What? So much? Yeah. Be a girl do. See what them a say now. Talk.
What, man? Yo, same girl from around the what do you say? Anyway, she's saying she got what you said? Hold on. Don't tell me something that I talking to. So we can never pay a jar. Of course we can. Nah, deal with it, me with it. Yeah, forward with your boss. A good man. What you mean?
All right. Pay patwa at this. So me have to go in and explain. So when it started here, when Shenseea sit down, the first girl who talks is Shenseea. A girl down the road said that she want to hit you in your face. Yes, sir. I'm trying to make it sound good, right? To hit you in your face. Or slap you in your face. So Shenseea asked if you didn't, when she said you didn't page her or you never page her. When she said page, Jamaican, when they say page, they say if you never, page for Jamaican mean visit the person. And sometimes visit them and hit them or do them something. That's what page means. And it came from the word, from pager, when you start pager in the days. I don't know if young people that know the pager thing, but pager was a thing where when you never have cell phones around, or a lot of people didn't have cell phones, but you had house phones and support, so people would have the pager, so when somebody is calling the number that is assigned to the page, you know, they look at the page and they say, okay, Mark is calling. So they have to find themselves to a house phone or something to call because they didn't have the cell phone that day. So that's why we use it. We say page. Okay? All right. Make her go back so if you hear the thing in its entirety now.
Tell her no.
Tell her no.
What man?
What happened?
Same girl from around the what do you say? Anyway, she see she gonna listen to you. What you said?
How much you?
Hold on. Don't tell me something that I talking to. So we can never pay jar.
Of course we can.
I'm not dealing with it, me with it.
Yeah. Yeah, forward with your boss.
So if you're not dealing with it, I will deal with it. That's what she said. Wow. Extended clip, extended magazine. You know, people are gonna feel it, you know. And they want Shenseea, she's sexy, and she know, you know. She go like she say she don't know, say she's sexy. Watch her, no? I want to catch you. You just see where God you serve. Anyway, make a follow every day, so I'm not get carried away. Slider. Rummy, see me in there.
Me one girl when I talkie, my mouth never make me run.
Yeah.
And me is a girl when afraid for war, and me not afraid for bus gun. The black matic, tougher than a dance said in a school.
Whoa! I never see that one coming. So she said the black matic is tougher than a dunce head in school. No, a dunce head, as I said, it's a straight Jamaican song. So you know, decoding have to turn up, you know, me can't make nothing pass. Everything have to catch by my radar. Tougher than a dunce head in school. So a dunce head is people we call people who we consider to be hard to learn. So it doesn't matter which formula the teacher uses to try to explain or simplify their lessons. A dunce head kids, according to we know, don't learn. They're just not learning. So we always say their head tough. That's what we call a dunce head kid, right? So she said the black matic is tougher than a dunce head in a school. Yeah, go back Shenseea. People need for him. No anything I lie me I tell you know. Go on.
Girl when I talkie, my mouth never make.
And hold on. Sorry for cut you again. But here what now? I'm going to show you the vehicle.
Me
Alright, the vehicle here. So this shows that this video was made in 2021. And this here is we call it the license disc, okay? And this tells when the vehicle is licensed for. And as you see right here is Jamaica. If we know where glasses, put it on. And it's 2021. Also, it shows where the vehicle, when it was punched. So the punch here, I'm almost sure this is where it is punched. It shows that this is when it expired. And when it is expired, you get 1 month's grace period. So if this is June, then you can drive the car until the end of July before you renew the license. Okay, that's just a side note. Okay? Decoding, you know. I have to decode everything where I pass, you say, you know. Alright, go on. Shenseea.
one girl when I talkie, my mouth never make me run.
No.
And me is a girl when afraid for war, and me not afraid for bus gun.
Yes,
the black
sir.
matic, tougher than a dance said in a school. Now drop my girl ever in murder and mood. Bad alone bitch, that a the truth.
Yeah.
Just a be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew.
Whoa. Hey. And the Jamaican word that me a wait for the now, man. Yo. I want thing me I said, you know, then if you take the bad word thing, there are $5, you know. Alright, make sure you say it back and me tell you interesting facts about the bumbo clot thing. Alright? Hold on.
My girl ever in murder and mood. Bad alone bitch, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew.
Yeah.
Me never lose a fight.
Hold on, man. Okay, so apparently, when you say those words, when you say bumbo clot, or if you say blood clot, or any clot, what we call expletives in Jamaica, you can be arrested. If you never know. I don't know why they not take it off of the books as yet, but it not take off. It's still upon it. It's a misdemeanor offense. So if you cuss it in, if you swear like that in front of a police officer, you can be arrested. But everywhere in the world love it, including me. Because when you say them words in a song, or if you say it brings so much expression in a way you're saying, and it just sounds so much vibrant and colorful. That's why it's a colorful language. So, me really and truly I say, boy, you know, the Jamaican government, if you need to look for take it off of the books and, you know, take it off of the books. Simply take it off of the books. Modern time. Anyway, now disrespect we culture still, but me I say take it off of the books. Go on, Shenseea, make we hear some more clot from you.
Truth, plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to
she said the girls them have to bungle up like Cololo. Cololo, for you don't know, because a whole heap of people watch my video, people from all over the world. Congrats to me, thank you. Cololo is a vegetable, okay? And it's normally grown in the field, and it's sold in bundles. So there are two ways where people use Cololo as a simile. They will say you crush like Cololo, or they will say you bundle like Cololo. Now in this case, Shenseea say them have a bundle like Cololo. So she's working. Go back, Shenseea, make people know what going in the decoding part. Go back, me love you. I bad word part. Me don't want to hear that. Me love you. Go on.
Bad alone, bitch, that's the truth.
Yeah.
Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no little fool. Girl,
No.
if you bungle up like I said, them a color loose. Bad alone, that's the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew. Me not send threat, ma make promise. The most blood them see when them on period.
What y'all say? You see how she not easy? She said the most blood them see. And me know a woman she talking is when they are seeing their period. When they are in their period or their menstruation. So she just make she know say she that bad. She not afraid of blood. She see blood a lot because she make blood run. Boy, me don't know I go on the side of Shenseea, but I decode here, sir. Don't hurt me. Go through.
Me not send threat, ma make promise. The most blood them see when them on period. And if a gang, ma never panic. Back broad enough for me alone take country girl. Recall smooth trigger under heavy pressure. Me
You hear that? She's saying some things in the song, you know. Hey, Shenseea have a very, very good voice. No doubt about that. And she's very lyrical. And maybe that's why they don't like call her the queen yet, because she's not the hardcore type of dancehall artist. But she is a rounded artist, because she do R&B, she do rap, she do soca, she do reggae. She's very, very, we call it now, universal in her thing. Anyway, back to her sing now. So she said recoil, smooth trigger under every pressure. The recoil in the gun is what make it jerk back when you fire it. So when they say it have a good recoil, it means that it's smooth. It shake you up a lot. So that's why she said recoil smooth under every pressure. You see it? Yeah, man, that's where I go with. Anyway, go back, Shenseea. The people need to hear what you say. Go on.
enough for me alone take country girl. Recall smooth trigger under heavy pressure. Me boss it up, shell a drop like a rainy weather. Touch a button if you brave, man I go cause just a grave. But until then, bitch you make me back. One girl when I talky, my mouth never make me run. And me is a girl when afraid for war, and me not afraid for bus gun. Me black myself, tougher than a done said in a school. Now drop my girl ever in murder and mood. Bad alone, bitch, that's the truth. Plus
Well on, there's some props in the video that I need to explain to you guys. Normally in a Jamaican dancehall settings, when you hear an artist sing about badness, a couple things always, and you can check videos and tell me if I lie, me I tell. A couple things in a video always be there. You always find the person smoking ganja spliff, right? That's one. You always see them do the lighter. You always see them drink. Always. And you always see them bust a gun. So these are some of the things that you see now too. Here we go. All of the woman them do it. See, she roll up a blonde. That's a the spliff. And a woman them, you know. You don't think say the woman them not so bad, but the woman them rough and the man them. Go on. That's a boom. That's a drink. It's called boom, and it is an energy drink. It's a very good drink for have where they want some energy, and they market it as an aphrodisiac as well. Go through. All right. See what is a lion pride? So this is a lighter, and this is a spliff here. And you just see it in our pocket too. So that's what I say. Once you hear the matter about badness, them things are always feature in your video. You always find as well where you have the artist a puffy cigarette. So him have it in his mouth and him light and then him puff. Me don't remember if I see this yet, but let me see. See her there, but she don't light it yet. But that's what I talk about. That's always a signature thing in a dancehall thing in a in a Jamaican music. Go on.
Truth, plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no little fool. Girl, I feel bungle up like I said them a call a loo. Bad alone, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew. Me not give a fuck where you come from. Run a liquor funds and track you like I say a wild hug. Me a hunt and no.
So she run some funds and track her like a wild hog she a run. Sorry, a hunt. Hey boy, all right, sir, go on.
I'm a downtown, me not afraid of gunman. What's when a bad man a me type? Make one phone call just fi end your life. Get a shipment, have a gun in every type. If me want process, me use the one with laser beam light. Not chatty cause a action me like. Me one girl when I talky, my mouth never make fi run. And me is a girl when afraid for war, and me not afraid fi bust gun. Me black my tail, tougher than a done said in a school.
Whoa, she done it, that's a boy. R.I.P. Let me go and decode here, sir.
Drop my girl ever in murder a mood. Bad alone, bitch, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no little fool. Girl, I feel bungle up like I said them a call a loo. Bad alone, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew. Tougher than a done said in a school. Now drop my girl ever in murder a mood. Bad alone, bitch, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no little fool. Girl, I feel bungle up like I said them a call a loo. Bad alone, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew.
All right, song is finished. Hey, make we go and talk about it now. Okay. So this is one on your Bad Alone by Shenseea. As me say, Shenseea, bad artist and sexy now clot. Yeah, man. Well, I see that song, you know, this is a straight badness she attack. And I don't normally see a lot of bad girl songs. All what she say, bad man or bad girl? Bad Alone, right. I don't see a lot of bad girl songs play, but you know, sex or something we sell. Cause all when you talk about badness with the woman them, they have to dress sexy. It doesn't matter what you're talking about. You have to have a sexy woman to make it, to endorse it. The woman never do badness, sexiness. Right? I just saw the thing set. And Shenseea, you don't know a thing already. Shenseea, well done. Good song, me rate it. Trust me, boy. Yeah, man. Let me know, people, as usual. I don't know the decoding thing, but let me know what you think about me decoding. Let me know what you want me to decode next. And people, big up on yourselves here, sir. As usual, this is Duo Quick from Bars Beat. Away, I say, out of here. Peace. Have that.